difficult game. I think like we controlled the game, but we did too many mistakes in the first half. I think we could have killed the game with a third or fourth goal. But yes, we let Kapas live. They scored at the end of the first half, and yeah, second half was also a tough game. I just say yes, we are happy to have 3 points and we go on for the next game.
Çətin oyun oldu. İlk hissədə 2 gol vurduq və önə keçdik. Bundan sonra daha da 4-5 top vura bilərdik. Amma çoxlu səhvlərimiz oldu. Yararlana bilmədik imkanlardan. Hissənin sonunda Kepez gol vurdu və bu biraz çətinə saldı bizi. İkinci hissə başlayan hücumlara atıldıq və gol vurmağa çalışdıq. Yenə deyirəm, çoxlu səhvlər elədik. Hesab daha böyük ola bilərdi, amma qalib gəldiyimiz üçün xoşbəxtlik.
Baş məşqçi komandanın oyunundan narazı qaldı. Bəs o necə düşünür?
The head coach said at the press conference, I don't like my team game. What's your opinion about that?
Coach is right, because if you see the whole week how we trained, it was very good. So going with this in his head, we also thought that we're gonna score at least 4 goals. Let's be honest, and but we didn't. So yeah, that's why the coach he's expecting a lot of us from us. So we need also to bring it on the pitch, because we have a clear idea and we have the players to do better.
Ədalətli olsun.